I know that we are in a little bit of a different situation here with my intro, but I wanted to share with you some huge news. So any of you who've been following me on social media, you've already heard that I have launched my first set of patterned vinyl in collaboration with Vinyl Gallery. So I'm so excited to be able to share with you my 5 collection patterned vinyl collection for my first set of vinyls, available now at shopvinylgallery.com. So the number one question that I get when it comes to my tutorials is how I come up with my ideas, what inspires me, what I think about, how I come up with my ideas, and how I style both patterned vinyl and glitters in order to come up with my tutorials. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I do that, as well as give you some ideas on how you can utilize my patterned vinyl in collaboration with some gorgeous glitters to get you an absolutely gorgeous cup. So definitely stay tuned for that. And of course, make sure you check out the description box. I will have discount codes and links to all of my social media. If you're looking to purchase my vinyl collection, you can go to shopvinylgallery.com and use code LYSHAB10 to save yourself a little extra money as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. So of course, I have to start this tutorial with showing you all of the patterns that I have in my very first vinyl collection with Shop Vinyl Gallery. So I am so excited and so blessed and thankful to be able to collaborate with Vinyl Gallery. Lindsay is absolutely amazing over there, and she has been a doll to work with, and I'm so happy to be able to bring this to you guys. So this is a first look at all of my pattern vinyls for this collection. So these come in a traditional style of vinyl, so you can get that with a white backing. You can also purchase these in transparent vinyl and HTV. So the sky is the limit with these patterns, and I assure you, with the designs that I put together for this tutorial, you are going to want to grab these up and try them. So these are the 5 vinyls that I have for my first collection. This will be the first of many collection launches that I hope to see, so make sure you go to shopvinylgallery.com and snag yours. So let's go ahead and jump right into design idea 1. So this is going to be using my 3rd pattern vinyl. So this is Lysha number 3. This is a beautiful navy blue tie-dye, and I've paired this with a few of brand new glitters from Lysha Creations. I got these 3 glitters from her most recent subscription box, and I just love the look of these. This is Dahlia, Blue Jay, and La Estrellas. And here is kind of a first look at what I think the design idea could look like for this. So I'm thinking very similar to my groovy tumbler that I did a couple of weeks ago. I think that you could do a beautiful red, white, and blue glitter swirl on top of this vinyl, and I think it would give you an absolutely beautiful look, and it really goes with kind of the 4th of July theme. So I definitely think that that's a perfect idea for this design. So of course, moving right along to design idea number 2, this is using the blue tie-dye vinyl paired with the small leopard print vinyl, which kind of has like a off-white backing. And I think that these would look beautiful in like a split style cup. So like half vinyl up top, half vinyl on the bottom, and then a little strip of glitter right in between. I just feel like that the look of this would look really beautiful, and kind of pairing those two together with a little bit of glitter just really would bring this design all together. So for design number 3, we're going to use the pink marble vinyl. So I absolutely love this, and as soon as I saw this, I knew it needed to be part of my collection. And I've paired this with Spiffy, which is from 4K Glitter. That is Shop Vinyl Gallery's glitter. And I paired this also with Coconut. So I'm thinking kind of a waterfall glitter design that would look absolutely beautiful with these two right on top of that marble pattern vinyl. So for design idea number 4, you're going to need the leopard print vinyl, but you're going to need to grab that in transparent. And what I'm thinking is doing a dream catcher, which is like a color shifting glitter base, then putting the transparent vinyl over top. And then after you've epoxied until smooth, you then would add rhinestones to kind of cover the leopard print in various spots, and then use kind of those crystal rhinestones to be kind of the inset in some of them. In my head, this looks really beautiful, and I can't wait to see if one of you guys are going to try this one out. Now moving right into design 5. So this is using this tropical floral pattern vinyl, which I just absolutely love, and we're going to pair this with an opal vinyl. So the opal vinyl is going to be just kind of to do some vinyl lining, but then I'm going to pair this with a few glitter colors. So we're going to be using Ballerina. I also would use Mint for You, Meadows, and finally Ice Cream Dream. So what I imagine for this design is having the pattern vinyl up top of the top half of the tumbler, and then doing kind of stripes down the bottom half of the cup. I really just think that it would really look absolutely gorgeous and be a perfect beach style tumbler. So for design number 6, we are going to be using 2 pattern vinyls. We're going to go back to this tie-dye navy blue, and we're going to pair this with the marble. Okay, so this one is probably one of my favorites, and what I'm thinking here is doing sort of a tracksuit style cup. Okay, so imagine those 2 vinyls in a double vinyl tracksuit with the center section being all white glitter. So I have Unicorn Sneeze, I also have Over the Rainbow, and Fairy Dust. So blending those 3 white glitters together, and then once you've epoxied, lining the vinyl, just kind of the lines where you'd put vinyl normally as sort of like a vinyl strip, lining those with the sapphire and these light pink rhinestones. In my head, this looks so gorgeous, so very similar to this cup I did a while ago, and I can't wait to see that all together. Moving into design number 7. So design number 7 is all about summer. So I am thinking, again, doing a spray painted base with different bursts of fluorescent style paints, and then covering that with a cheat glitter. So something like Fairy Dust from Shop Vinyl Gallery. And then finally putting over that transparent leopard print vinyl, and then doing a neon drip. I just think that this would be so cute for summer, and I hope that one of you guys tries this design out. In the original pairing, I didn't add the color purple, but I think a gorgeous neon purple would only add to this beautiful summer design. And finally, that brings us to design idea number 8. So for this final design idea, we're going to go back to using Lysha number 2, and that is that small leopard print vinyl. And I decided that we're going to go with earth tones for this. So almost like a monochromatic look of lots of browns and bronzes and golds, and kind of just build upon this kind of muted kind of earth tone look. So what I envision for this is something that I've actually done before on a tumbler. So wrapping the entire cup in the vinyl and then doing a geode with all of the various kind of bronzes and browns and golds, and then of course adding a little bit of leopard print over top to really just tie it all together. I think this would look absolutely gorgeous, and if you guys try it out, definitely make sure to tag me. I hope that today's video was helpful and inspiring to you to be able to utilize my new pattern vinyl collection. I know that when I get in a funk, I love to go to Pinterest. I have a huge board that just has nail art, purses, dresses, paintings, you name it. I try and find inspiration in anything and everything. So if you loved today's video, of course, to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below which of these design ideas you'll be trying. I'll see you guys again soon.